In this video, we're going to talk about how you can actually boost the voltage of a circuit using a battery and a few capacitors. Now, there's many other ways in which you can boost the DC voltage. You could use a boost converter circuit, which uses an inductor to boost the DC voltage. You can add multiple batteries in series, or you can convert the DC voltage into an AC voltage using an oscillator circuit, and then you can increase the voltage using a step-up transformer or using a voltage multiplier circuit with many diodes and capacitors. But in this video, we're going to focus on a very simple, intuitive way to boost the voltage using capacitors. So the idea is to charge the capacitors individually and then connect them together in series to get a higher voltage. So let's say that we have a 9-volt battery. And let's also say that the switch is currently in this position. In that position, current is going to flow from the positive terminal of the battery, and it's going to charge the first capacitor, which we'll call C1. So C1 is going to be charged to 9 volts when the switch is in the upward position. Now, if we connect the switch in this position, then C2 will be charged by the battery. So it's going to be charged to 9 volts. Now, if you were to connect a multimeter at the output of these two capacitors, it's going to read a voltage of 9 plus 9, or 18 volts. So that's a simple way in which you can boost the voltage of a capacitor or of a battery. You could have the battery charge the individual capacitors and then connect the capacitors in series to get a higher voltage. Now let's look at another example. So what we're going to do in this circuit is we're going to connect a battery to multiple capacitors, initially in parallel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect 5 capacitors in parallel to each other, connected to the battery. Whenever you connect capacitors in parallel, the voltage across them will be the same when they're being charged. So let's say the voltage of the battery is 12 volts. In this connection, or in this particular circuit, each capacitor will be charged to 12 volts. Now, the time it takes for the capacitors to charge at 12 volts depends on the capacitance. Typically, this usually will happen in an instant, but for supercapacitors, it may take some time, depending on how much current is being delivered by the battery. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change the connection from parallel to series. So we're going to connect the 5 capacitors that are now charged to 12 volts in series. So now the total voltage will be it will be equal to adding 12 5 times, or you could just multiply 12 by 5. And so the total voltage read by these 5 capacitors in series will now be 60 volts. So that's a very quick and simple way in which you can boost the voltage of a circuit, is by charging the capacitors in parallel and then connecting them in series. Now, for those of you who might be interested in other videos that explain how to boost the voltage in a circuit, here's some topics that you want to check out. When you go to YouTube, type in boost converter circuit organic chemistry tutor, and the video that I created will come up on that. You could also type in voltage multiplier circuit or transformers. Those are some other ways in which you can increase the voltage of a circuit. So feel free to take a look at that when you get a chance. You can also find some of these videos in my electronics playlist. So feel free to review that as well. Thanks for watching.